The Awakening and the Journey. The awakening of Ceres marks a bold and remarkable breakthrough in humanity's understanding of the solar system. Scientists have unveiled a discovery that stretches the very boundaries of what we once believed about the cosmos. NASA, the agency that has led humanity on some of its most daring voyages into the unknown, has captured the world's imagination once more. This time, all eyes turned toward a quiet wanderer, a small, unassuming world drifting silently in the vast space between Mars and Jupiter. A world that, unexpectedly, began to shimmer with an eerie, almost otherworldly glow. At first glance, Ceres seemed ordinary, a rocky, cratered body drifting among countless other asteroids in the crowded belt. Yet soon, the ordinary faded into extraordinary. High-resolution images revealed brilliant patches scattered across its surface, spots that reflected sunlight like tiny, cosmic mirrors. The discovery rippled through the scientific community, sparking a mixture of curiosity, excitement, and awe. What could create such glowing beacons on a seemingly frozen, lifeless world? Could they be ice, strange salts left behind by evaporating water, or something entirely unknown? A phenomenon that might rewrite planetary science itself? Some voices even whispered a daring possibility. Could these lights be artificial signals, relics of a civilization long vanished? Most scientists, however, sought a natural explanation, one that would prove no less fascinating. At the heart of the mystery was Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt and the first dwarf planet ever discovered. Though close to Earth on a cosmic scale, Ceres concealed secrets beneath its dusty, cratered crust. Secrets that might illuminate the very story of life itself. To uncover these secrets, NASA launched the Dawn spacecraft in 2007. Its mission? To study two ancient worlds, Vesta and Ceres, and to reveal the hidden history of our solar system. Powered by revolutionary ion propulsion, Dawn glided silently through space, capable of adjusting its trajectory repeatedly with unprecedented precision. Its journey began at Vesta, where it spent over a year observing the asteroid's scarred surface. Dawn revealed the ancient collisions that had shaped Vesta, remnants of the violent formation of the solar system itself. Then, following a trail written in the history of the cosmos, Dawn turned toward its ultimate destination, the glowing world of Ceres. Ceres' story is as unique as the light upon its surface. Discovered in 1801 by the Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, it was initially hailed as a new planet. But as more similar objects appeared, it was reclassified as an asteroid, fading quietly into obscurity for over a century. Then, in 2006, the same year Pluto lost its planetary status, Ceres was elevated once again, recognized as the only dwarf planet within the inner solar system. By early 2015, Dawn finally arrived, and the first high-resolution images captured the world's attention like never before. Bright white patches glowed in the darkness of a massive crater, shining like distant lighthouses in the void. The most striking cluster lay within a crater, a basin nearly 92 kilometers wide. Against the muted gray landscape, these luminous patches radiated brilliance that defied all explanation. Could this be ice exposed to sunlight, crystalline salts, or signs of hidden geological activity stirring beneath the surface? For the first time in history, humanity was gazing directly upon Ceres, a world once dismissed as dull and lifeless, now alive with quiet mystery. Secrets beneath the surface to scientists, the glowing patches were more than beautiful, they were clues. Fingerprints of water, heat, and chemistry that could indicate the potential for life itself. As Dawn continued its patient watch, its instruments began to peel away the layers of mystery surrounding Ceres. Higher resolution images revealed that the bright regions were not isolated. They formed clusters of highly reflective material across crater floors and ridges, gleaming like frozen signals in the dark. After months of analysis, researchers reached a groundbreaking conclusion. The shining patches were mostly composed of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is a type of salt deposited when briny water slowly evaporates in the vacuum of space. This process, called cryovolcanism, is unlike anything on Earth. Instead of molten rock, cryovolcanoes eject cold mixtures of water, ammonia, and other volatiles, which freeze instantly or escape into vapor upon reaching the surface. The remaining salts create the bright plains that first captured the world's imagination. Even more astonishing, evidence suggested that Ceres may still be geologically active, exhaling faint plumes of vapor into the void. Transient hazes inside craters hinted that sublimation, the slow escape of subsurface water, might still occur today. Ceres was no longer a silent relic. It had become a living, evolving world. Beneath its crust lies a vast ocean of frozen brine, mixed with salts, clays, and rock fragments. Its outer crust is fragile and porous, but deeper layers conceal a mantle rich in ice and hydrated minerals. The heat that keeps this world alive comes from the slow decay of radioactive elements deep within its core, a faint, steady warmth that has endured for billions of years. This subtle heat may allow pockets of liquid water to persist underground, slowly rising through fractures to the surface and carrying salts and minerals along the way. Dawn also detected ammonia-bearing clays, materials rarely found in objects formed near the Sun. This suggests that Ceres may have formed farther out, perhaps near the giant planets, before drifting inward to its current orbit. Ammonia lowers the freezing point of water, allowing liquid brines to survive even in the frigid depths of space. Such an environment, cold, salty, and stable, raises tantalizing possibilities for microbial life. If liquid water and organic molecules mingled beneath the crust, perhaps life, even in microscopic form, could have sparked. Even if life never emerged, Ceres remains a priceless window into the earliest history of the solar system. For over 4 billion years, it has preserved ancient materials like a cosmic time capsule from the dawn of planetary creation. Dawn revealed a surface rich in diversity, craters, domes, ridges, and fractures, each a chapter in Ceres' evolving story. Among its most striking features, Ahuna Mons rises like a frozen mountain, a vast icy dome formed by repeated eruptions of salty slush, a frozen volcano defying expectation. This discovery confirmed what scientists had long suspected: Ceres is not merely a remnant of creation. It is still active, still changing, still alive in its frozen, silent way. Although Dawn's mission ended in 2018, the treasure of data it sent home continues to reshape science. It has forced us to rethink where water and energy may exist in the solar system, and where life itself might take root. Ceres has proven that even small, cold worlds can harbor the essential ingredients for life. The bright lights that once seemed mysterious are now understood as beacons of chemical evolution, perhaps the first glimmers of biology itself. Though Dawn now drifts in eternal silence, its legacy endures. A shining reminder that every discovery, every illuminated world, brings us one step closer to answering humanity's oldest question: are we truly alone?